Red photographers, Peter here guys, how are you doing? Today we're going to talk about light, how to soften the light. The most important thing is in photography is light, then lens, then camera. Remember that. Today we're going to talk about how to use soft boxes, why they are in different form and shape, why some of them are expensive, why some of them are huge, some of them are small, why, how to have a great setup in studio. This is what we're going to talk about. People used to use umbrella. We still use it. Why? Because it is very portable and you can take it wherever you want. It is very light, easy to set up. These are the kind of modernized way of softening the light, which is kind of trendy. And if you watch my other videos, we're always talking about, we are selling the tools that we have to the eye of our client as well. So that's why we gotta invest in this kind of stuff. But in the other hand, they really do pretty good job. We usually use soft boxes like this, like parabolic, or this one which is foldable in studio. You can use it outdoor too. Outdoor, in order to soften the light, you can use one of those 5-in-1 reflectors as well with the help of your assistant. In many studios, people use tracing paper that softens the light. Remember, you never want to use the light like as is, nude light. You need to modify the light. These kind of stuffs are modifiers. But let me tell you first what light really is. Light has intensity, light has color, light shaping shadows with the help of highlights. Light has feather, light has beam, and that beam has an angle. This area is very harsh. That's why in professional setups, they have this extra layer here in order to totally soften the light from the center to the edge of your softbox. When you turn the light, you're gonna have an angle that I said, we call it beam of light. This area is the feather, this area is core, and this area again is feather. In many studios, photographers try to feather the softbox, meaning they try to turn the softbox to the feather side of the light in order to get even softer and more even light on the subject. We have different tone of light. We have warm and cool. The more intensity you have, the harsher shadow you will get and the brighter highlight or specular highlight you will get on your subject. Now, let's jump to the second video, which is the video after this video in the playlist that I'm going to tell you why we have different size and talk about soft boxes.